All right, everybody. Welcome back to Smoking Swamp Outdoors. Today is Monday, the 11th, I think. Not sure, 10th or 11th. Giving everybody an update on the garden, what we got going on. It's been about a week since I've updated everybody. So, in this row here, we've got, it's either, I think, beefsteak tomatoes or cherry tomatoes. And then this row here, we've got squash. We've got yellow squash right here. And then in this row is some more tomatoes. They're the cherry tomatoes. And then started over here in this row, I direct sowed some bush beans. So here in the next couple of days, those will be sprouting up. And then turn around over here on the other side. And these two rows here, I've got spinach. My brain's not working this morning. 2 rows of spinach. I put them at the same time in the ground as I did the bush beans. So those will be coming up here soon. Sophia. Oh, she put her frisbee right under my foot. What are you doing? And this row here, we've got zucchini coming up all the way down to the end of the row. Everything's coming in good, coming in good. And then here, we've got our cucumbers that are coming up all the way down. They're getting pretty good size. There's those first couple here. I got the string trellis here so they can spread out on it. Those ones there that are coming in. And then those guys there. Then we'll come over about a foot or two to the next row. And those guys are looking good. Same with those ones. And then the last couple down here on the end. We've got some red onions that are coming up that this week I'm going to be putting in the ground. And then we've got some bell peppers that are also sprouting in that we're going to be putting in the ground probably this week as well. So y'all stay tuned to that. What I'm probably going to do is do some onions along here and then do some bell peppers along here, going the opposite way of the other ones, the other rows. So we'll see. Do a little bit more planning because this guy's almost pretty much full. All right, folks. Y'all hit that thumbs up, drop a comment, and subscribe for more outdoors. And be ready for anything wild.